Just when everyone thought Toyota was quiet, it made the biggest attack. And now, everything is about to change. While the rest of the companies in the industry were lost in show-offs and stage lights, there was one company that was quietly building something that has now completely shaken up the market. No leaks, no events, but now everything is out. Toyota's CEO has suddenly made a statement that has increased the heartbeat of the entire auto industry. This was not a normal announcement, it was a direct warning. Our new dynamic force engine will destroy the competition. According to sources, this engine has been designed in such a way that it not only gives new life to hybrids but also leaves behind the limitations of conventional engines. And this is the reason why everyone's eyes are now turned towards Toyota, from Tesla to Ford and BYD. So what is this dynamic force engine? What is in it that makes it the most aggressive move in Toyota's history? And why is there an atmosphere of restlessness in the boardrooms of other companies at this time? Let's unravel this suspense. But before that, if you also want to stay at the forefront of the world of auto technology, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that every new wave of technology reaches you first. Before we talk about that engine, let's understand a little about Toyota. Why is this company not giving up the gasoline engine even while running in the electric race? When the whole world is running towards EVs, when every company is in a race to connect its next car with battery and motor, Toyota is one name that has surprised everyone. It is not only maintaining its old gasoline engines, but has also brought a new dynamic force engine. So, the question arises, when Tesla, BYD, Ford, and other auto giants are running fast in the EV race, why is Toyota still making traditional engines? Actually, the thinking behind Toyota is not just about today's trend, but about the coming decades. Toyota knows that EV is a progressive change at the moment, but this change is not the same for everyone. Many big markets like India, Africa, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East are still behind in terms of EV infrastructure. Here, charging stations, stable power supply, and logistics of EV batteries are still a challenge. In such a situation, Toyota believes that by focusing only on EV, it will ignore CRS of consumers. Toyota has a special strategy, a multi-pathway strategy. This means that the company believes that every market has its own needs, and a single solution does not fit everywhere. Under this thinking, Toyota has worked on EV, hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and hydrogen, all four, and the dynamic force engine is a part of this thinking. This engine has been designed to give more power with less fuel, less pollution, and longer life. That is, Toyota is targeting those customers who cannot afford EVs but want better mileage and modern technology. Apart from this, Toyota's biggest strength is its trust and long-term value. People know that Toyota's vehicles run for years and their engines never fail easily. This belief encourages Toyota to continue investing in traditional technology. Also, Toyota's hybrid technology, such as the Prius, has shown that a mix of petrol and electric power can be a great solution, especially in countries where EV charging is still a distant dream. Toyota engineers also understand that petrol engines can be made as efficient as EVs with the right technology. The dynamic force engine is an example of this, where airflow, compression ratio, and heat management have been modified to increase performance while reducing environmental impact. Toyota wants to prove that, thinking electric vehicles are the only future is actually limited thinking, and that smart engine technology can also compete in the market in the future. Toyota's engine plan is pretty clear. They believe that not only is electric the future, but petrol engines also have a lot of room for improvement. With this thinking in mind, Toyota has launched its dynamic force engines, which have been made by breaking away from the old thinking. These aren't just minor updates, but are actually part of Toyota's global design system called TNGA, which makes vehicles more durable, better on fuel efficiency, and easier to manufacture. While other companies are busy going fully electric, Toyota believes that both types of technology, petrol and electric, should run together. The company's CEO has clearly stated that these new engines are part of their larger strategy. Their aim is to deliver more performance with less fuel, less pollution, and a more reliable experience overall. These engines can even run on fuels like ethanol or hydrogen, which opens up more options. Toyota really gets that the needs of every country are different. In some places, there just aren't enough electric charging points, and in others, electricity isn't reliable at all. In these situations, fuel engines prove to be the best choice. That's exactly why the company is building engines that not only meet environmental standards, but are also cheaper to manufacture. These engines are designed using Toyota's TNGA technology, which actually allows the same engine to be used in multiple vehicles. This doesn't just save time and money in manufacturing, but it means the same engine can be fitted in everything from small cars to large SUVs. Engineers don't have to start from scratch every single time, so they can really focus on improving engine quality. This new approach not only lets Toyota update vehicles quickly, but also, when fuels change in the future, like switching to ethanol or hydrogen, the company won't have to make major changes. Dynamic force engines aren't just about power or speed, they're designed to save more fuel and cause less pollution. What's really unique is that these engines convert fuel directly into power instead of wasting it as heat. The piston stroke is long and the fuel injection technology is, well, pretty advanced. Special cooling systems like electric water pumps and temperature control technology have been installed to help the engine last longer and perform well.